So a lot of people are willing to go pay these big facilities and shops on the side to learn how to weld, just to say, oh man, I welded in this nice facility or whatnot. Or, they might have an instructor behind them showing them this or that. But are you paying for their facility and say, oh, I was in this nice place, or are you really paying to learn how to weld? So do you want to learn how to weld, or do you, are you worried about the facility that you're looking in or that you're working in? I mean, if you're really going to get some money, it's not about the facility. It's about a person showing you the techniques in the field, in the shop, on how to do what you're trying to learn. So I would say if you have a mobile welder in the area that does tutoring classes and things like that, I would pay them because they can show you some tricks of the trade that you're not going to learn in that classroom. And it's going to be very valuable to you in the field and in the shop or when you're working or starting your business or whatnot. So it's good to learn from the people, to me, that's actually out here doing it versus going into this nice, pretty shop. Now, I'm not knocking it. If you want to go spend your $125 or $75 an hour to go learn in this nice shop, that's fine. But if you really want to get the game, if you really want to get ahead, I would pay someone that's actually out here doing it, who say, okay, yeah, I can teach you on the side, or I can even do some on-the-job training if you want to do that type of route. I mean, but if you want to learn it for someone who's doing it, that's been out here doing it for 10, 15, 20, 30 years. They can teach you something.